Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to scan any QR code barcode by your device camera, stock camera. For these settings, you have to open camera on your device. Then if you search but you cannot see anything, then you can see here settings icon. Click here. Then here you can see scan QR codes. Turn it on. After turning it on, this button, go back on your camera. Then scan a QR code. I scan it and here we can see the QR code has been scanned. See guys, there is a link. Click to open link. After clicking to open link, here you can see a Facebook account has been showed. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.